Gopal Chaudhary, student of first year computer in Government Polytechnic, Nandurbar. I am really grateful for being the part of this speech competition. So my topic for today's assessment is how can women become physically and mentally capable? Let me give you an example. Have you ever watched people coming out of the theaters? They are often seen appreciating the acting skills and amazing cast of the movie. But have you ever seen them appreciate costume designer, editor, script writer, or someone who has worked more than the cast behind the camera? This is what actually the woman feels on their daily basis. After taking care of house, kids, and when managing their daily chores, they are not appreciated in our society and their families. How can we expect to grow in the world where women are not included in decision making or given equality? How much ever we try to make women as equal to men, it's always all in men. It's almost 21st century where India is an independent nation till many women in India depend upon men. They themselves should have the confidence that they can do everything which men can. Indira Gandhi, the first woman Prime Minister of India. Mary Kom, the first woman to win gold medal in Asian Games. Kalpana Chawla, the first woman of Indian origin to go in space. These are some examples of women who have proved that women are not less than men. Nowadays, in most of the houses, we see that women have to ask their husbands for money. If she can earn her own living, there will be no need to ask their husbands for money. She will be confident. Let's talk about the mental conditions of women, such as depression is common in urban women. Work pressure, high performance jobs, social profile, maintaining their image in the society, mood swings, etc. are the causes of depression. Learn one thing, if women will be mentally fit, then only they can be physically fit. Let's come towards the most important topic of my speech, which is sexual violence and domestic violence. About 32,033 rape cases are registered across the country per year. Over 90 women out of 50 women have to suffer domestic violence in their houses. 5,297 cases of domestic violence are registered per year in India. Isn't it a shameful thing? Yes, of course it is. Now the time has come to stop all this injustice and can only be done when women themselves will do something for themselves. In my opinion, there should be free coaching classes, tutorials, and the courses should be given to women for learning self-defense techniques and tactics. We are the women of independent nation. We should not afraid to speak for those who have lost their voice and dignity. Women don't need to be strong. They are already stronger. They just need to change the way the world preserves the strength. Women should learn to be happy on their own. Women should learn their own work. Women should learn what they really want and what they really are. Remember one thing. Strong women stand for herself and the stronger women stand for everybody else. In the last, I would like to present a short Hindi poem. कोमल है कमजोर नहीं तू, शक्ति का नाम ही नारी है, जग को जीवन देने वाली मौत भी तुझसे हारी है. Thank you, जय हिंद.